It's a race to the pointy stick. We gotta beat the Eldar to it. This is the final fight. The end of the road for my prize. You know what that means, don't ya?
That we all get a chance to die, so you can get more powerful?
You got it! It also means every Ork here gets to rampage!
Rampage! Then let's gather the boys and let them loose.
Not so fast. It ain't that easy. Them Eldar and Yumis is already ahead of us, standing in our way. We have to find a smart way to break through their line.
I got the answer, boss. Big beauty. I'll grind my grotch to get her running. You field your boys, and I'll bring her to ya.
You heard him, boys! Let's war! Our camp is getting dark. Yumi's breathing down my neck. And no Wazmaka!
Here she is! Eldar brothers! He's been guilty! Yes!
You got your killer cats here?
He's at war!
Cast them
Oh, he's with us! If you mess with Gorgut stuff, you should expect to die! Oh, you've done me proud, Westmaster. You've seen it, boys! There's a bunch of Yumis and Eldar blocking my way to the pointless stick. You and Beauty are gonna rage your way through them!
We got more requisition than we even need!
You got something needs done!
I'm shoot! I'll take that scrap, yeah! Let's get going!
That big door is in our way!
Well enough, Lewis! What is that? Let's reload!
Let's get more shooting! We're part of the plan!
Yeah, boss!
Reloading rockets!
Let's loot them! Boss, take what's worth taking! Do you need me for something? We ain't no soft target! Now we're getting on! Shout it!
You looters! Is it?
What's that? We won't get lost!
army road.
Looter here! Let's get our share, looters! Salvage complete!
Look at that death gun. That is already.
I can shoot, yeah! We get the pick of the loot! Yeah, salvage it! We made some stick bombs! Stick bombs! Now we're flash!
Round it up, shooters! New looters is here!
Let's get our share, looters!
Upgrade is done!
What's the job, boy? Get our stick bombs together! We got stick bombs now! Got something moving, shooters!
Rounding up a new knob squad! Look at that, upgrading the boys' health!
On it, nicked up, salvage it! We got it all! I hear ya!
Beauty's ready to go!
I'm telling ya, some other boys must have
You got some kill rocket!
I'll take you!
Auxiliary requisition to the Leviathans!
Now, then it gets
You got some needs done! Kill rocket! Time for my best! Now! Run! Time for my best!
If we go right towards the space marines, we'll have to face their army and where it gets. If we go left, we'll fight the Eldar and their heavy rifles.
Oh, just absolute.
Beauty's excited evil!
Sorry, you gets.
Smash!
Do not wipe your spitballs and grit your teeth. These Umis are gonna rat with their tails.
Commencing orbital bombardment.
Watch out! The Shimmies are bombarding us! From space!
If you ain't fighting dirty, you ain't wild.
Beauty's ready to go! I'm just you.
No, this is always just a joke. Wagon busters!
Beauty's kill my wagon!
This claw's one of a kind. I killed the man. This is weak.
Space Marine!
Victor resource points ahead!
We're going. I'm Gorman. Time to be brutal. If you ain't fighting dirty,
Big fuss from dead side.
You got something needs that! Something that needs a man! Custom force field! Dying breeder once! Skeleton man! Mountain slag is a good! Time for my best! Kill my plasma! Time for my best!
We're not Shimmies attacking towards our camps!
Repair corps! You got something needs done! Let's stomp on over, beauty! Catch him!
There's that gun in hospital loot this way.
I hear you, boss, and in I go!
pull this off!
What now? Making my way over!
Honestly, nothing! Man! Where they do quiet! Voices.
Rounding up my new look-a-bob.
Got something up for you, boss!
We got an Eldar attack on our camp to deal with!
Stickball! You got your shirt up! Hurry, Stickball!
Off you, man!
Gibbies can't hurt our war camp anymore with their smash to bits.
Spelling up! Last push, boys! Smash through that big fight and reach the gates!
Beauty! Let's stop her! Beauty!
Show us an order!
You primitives will go no further.
I'll serve a
Requisition generator done!
Yeah? Oh, he's there!
They're messing with our war tower!
You know this claw ain't just for show.
You got some kill walkers!
You Lucas is here!
Let's go, Eugene!
Shout through the metal bar! Our war tower got smashed!
Yeah? Kill walker!
All this racket!
Oh, he's there! Better than him! Let's open another door! My rocket claw can bust right through, remember?
Let's get them! We'll do it with a bang! What now? What is shooting? Hurry, Stickball!
Something that needs a man!
Shots engaged! Jumping!
I'm too old! All this racket! I'll give them a taste of English!
Custom force
Fight with the enemy! Southwest of your position!
now! Time for my best!
It's killing me, you hear? Right!
There goes! Stop it and murder it!
What you gonna do rounding up crutch?
Now! Yes!
Right, Gretchins, watch yourselves! Buzz! Gretchins are ready!
Quiet!
Kill forward!
Knocking all right!
Time to close my door face!
Yeah, up! Right, wait!
The Eldar shall claim the spear today.
No Xenos shall touch the spear while I draw breath. I vow to set this realm.
Come on! Send the spirits along there!
Rounding up heroes!
Nick, we go first!
Please fire, Nick! Northeast of your position!
Let's go! Cast the force field! Ready, boss, and here I go! Time for my best! Time for your best!
That is ready!
Time for my best!
Hey, you're in a pinch! Old Chattanooga will be in well.
We should find these tankmasters and take them up!
Oh, that's trace to me, fish! Quiet bastards!
Today you shall die.
Get killing me, thing here!
It is written, Ork. The spear is not for you.
Who's firing? I'm north of your position!
But the boss says this way! Yeah, look at it this way! We go for salvaging! I hear ya! I'll make it happen! We've got it all! On a nick up here goes! Who are you gonna
Jack Noggin will give her a go!
What is it? Right over, Grants!
I'm telling you, some other boy must have nicked it. Got something in mind, boss? What now? I smell loot this way. Slog it!
Rounding up a new lootable! Orks is ready! Beginning infantry damage upgrade!
Let's put not till we taking that scrap. Load it up, ready to hurl.
Look at that death gun! That is ready!
It's killing me, you hear?
What you need
You want
exploding?
me to slug all the way? Now, I'm gathering scrap for my shield.
New looters is here!
Scrap shield ready. You want me to slug all the way?
infantry damage upgrade finished.
On me way! You needs more cunning touch, don't ya?
What now? That is already.
I'm Gorgon said up to be slugging up.
Loaded gets.
All this loading up more scrap shield.
We let's shoot me.
I'm Gorgon. It's mine! Mine!
Get oil. Rocks on our way. We'll custom that, Dan. Say the order, boss. You mentioned building a train. Me? Really? Me?
Myself is upgraded.
Man tracks and a bigger shoe. Is this all we're doing?
Quiet! I'm getting shooty.
Was Macca ready? Fire for me!
isn't over!
Together, we can finally see.
Farseer Macca divined that the prophecy and the spear and the entire enterprise were an elaborate trap. Even then, the Spear of Khaine, for which so much blood had been spilled, lay within reach of those that sought it. Gorguts arrived first, but Kaya challenged him, and in a swift battle, vanquished him. In his moment of ascendant victory, the trap was sprung on Kai, and it was his blood that was spilled by the spear. It was not the weapon of an Eldar god, but a trinket to lure us like lambs to a blood sacrifice. A ritual to revive an ancient evil and unleash him from the ice. Released from dormancy and then gorged with blood, the demon arose.
We is great, you is red, that is cursed, you is dead!
Kaya is dead, and his swordwind is leaderless and trapped. Many of my brethren will die if I do not intervene. And this demon Empowered as it is a danger to the entire galaxy.